everyone, it's James in Japan. I'm at a gas station called Kygnus. It's a self-service station, and to my right, that is the machine where you put coins and cash in. Okay, I'm going to select Genki, which means cash. I always use cash. Then you have two buttons. I'm going to press EA, which means no, I don't have that point card. If you do, press the left button. To my right, I'm going to insert 500 yen. That green light means insert coins or cash bills. Okay, then over here you choose the type of gas. It says regular, that red one, which means regular, and I'm going to choose Mantan. I want to use it up. Mantan means fill her up. And I'm going to choose the red pump, which is regular, which means regular. By the way, even though I pressed Mantan, it doesn't mean that I have to use all of it. I could stop anytime and get change back. By the way, I'm pumping gas into my Honda PCX 125cc. All done. Now put the pump back and get the cap. And then I'll get my receipt. That is my receipt to the right, and that's how much gasoline I got, 3.55 liters. Pretty simple, eh? Well, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.